equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson SV14 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly to release the battery pack. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it completely. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to inspect the battery compartment for any dust or debris. Use your clean cloth to wipe it down gently. This will ensure a good connection with the new battery. If you notice any significant buildup, consider using a soft brush to clean it out. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Ensure that the battery is oriented correctly. There should be a guide to help you with this. Firmly push the battery into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely locked in. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a quick once-over to ensure everything is secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and hassle. Finally, plug your Dyson SV14 back into the charger and allow it to charge fully before using it again. This will help to ensure the longevity of your new battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We are here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly with no calls, no travel required. Enjoy your clean home with your newly powered Dyson. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.